right, and if anybody owns a computer, a phone, and has internet, page 11 of the Star is an interesting report to be focusing on this morning. Bill spells out more cyber crimes, up to 20-year jail term and 5 to 20 million shilling fines in terms of these cyber crimes. And we've had ICT Cabinet Secretary Joe Musheru here initially saying that he was going to deal largely with cybercrime in the country. And several new issues have been put out. Cybercrimes, of course, committed through the use of computers and phones. There's been a lot of issues of cyberbullying in the country, so bad that it leads to people committing suicide, you know, in other cases. Cyber hacking, cyber stalking, and these are fines or crimes now that are likely to, you know, attract 20-year jail terms or 20 million shilling fines.
Yes, so if you're on the internet, which I think a good majority who would be watching us are probably accessing the internet in one way or the other, this would be a good read for you just to find out. And also, just to ensure that your children are not caught in the same trap. Because remember, there's a lot of radicalization as well that goes on online. And, well,